The purpose of this video is to explain how to use your chapter's home page work in progress. When you log into your chapter site, you'll see your home page, and you'll see here that it says welcome, and you have the pencil to edit. Up here on the left, top left, you'll see something called home page WIP. View the home page WIP. And when you click on that, it will take you to a different home page. And you'll notice here it says home page WIP. It no longer says welcome. This is the work in progress, or WIP. The purpose of having a work in progress home page is to allow you to make edits to what would be your future home page and then deploy them at a later date when you're ready. So when members log in, and in fact when you log in, the default will always be the home page. Members will not be able to see that there is even a WIP. Only the admins will be able to see that. A good time to do something like this might be the New Year transition. You could set up a work in progress site that has all the content that you want to have, let's say welcoming new members, etc., for the beginning of the year, and then on May 1st actually deploy it out to the home page. So we're going to talk about deploying that out to your home page. There are 3 steps to do that. Step 1, copy the content of the home page and save it. This is just a precautionary step in case something goes awry. You'll have the contents of the home page that you could go back to and restore it. Step 2 is to copy the contents of the WIP. Step 3 is to paste the contents of the WIP into the home page. Now this is all done through, instead of the GUI interface, something called the HTML interface, which you can access by simply clicking here. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's a textual-based way of designing a web page. Technically, you could come in here and edit your site by changing this text, but as you can see, it would be difficult and it's kind of cumbersome. However, this is the only way that we can use to actually copy the content. So basically, we're just going to select all, copy, and then go to something like Notepad or a general text editor. I would not use Microsoft Word or anything like that. You want something simple. Paste those contents in, and then save the file. And I'm going to save it as home page 2018-07-14, July 14th, which is today's date. Oh, well, I'd already saved it. So there it's saved. All right. So now we have the contents of our home page safe and sound. That's step 1. Step 2 is to go to the work in progress and repeat that step of going to the HTML version, selecting all, and to do this I'm just right-clicking here. Select all, right-click again, copy. You could also do Control-C to copy. Now we've copied the contents. I'm going to cancel that out. That was step 2. Very easy. Now we're going to go back to the home page. Again, remember, this says home page WIP. That's how you know you're on the WIP, aside from the content. We're back at the home page. We're going to edit the home page, go to the HTML, select all, and now we're going to paste. We have now just pasted in everything that we copied from the WIP. We can actually now switch to design and see that sure enough, what was on the WIP is now on our home page. Now, if something did go wrong for whatever reason, you could of course go back to the HTML, go back to the file that you saved, copy the contents from there, go back to the messed up home page, paste it all in, and now you have the original home page back. And that's how you can work with the work in progress home page.